Today's video is all about preventing the organ that help us see the world around us. No doubt it's your eyes. Eyes are perceived to be one of the most attractive feature on your face. Unfortunately, this blessing of sight gradually loses its charm and undergoes the same wear and tear as your bones and skin as you age. This is why millions of people over the age of 40 come down with eye problems. Every year, some of the common troubles that can be faced at advanced age include not being able to differentiate between colors, requiring extra time to adjust between light transition, and failing to spot near items. All this happens right after damage to the muscular region of the retina, a condition called age-related macular degeneration. In today's video, we will explore foods that can help improve your vision. Eggs. Breakfast game to a whole new level. The wide range of eye-related health benefits associated with eggs come from lutein, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Studies have supported the idea that those essential vitamins and minerals in eggs are good for your eyes. A significant investigation involving over 3,600 participants over the age of 50 who had 15 years old age-related macular degeneration was conducted. It turned out that the risk of age-related macular degeneration was significantly lower in the participant who had only 2 to 4 eggs every week than in those who had only 1 egg a week. So the next time you are going up for an eye-friendly breakfast, don't forget the egg. The fun part is that you can be creative with the eggs. You can make it in the form of omelets, scrambled eggs. How do you prefer eating your eggs? Let us know in the comments below. Walnuts. Walnuts are lovely in every way, whether they are sugared, maple, gizzard, toasted, or even raw. Walnuts contain a good deal of healthy fats, fiber, minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. And when your diet is rich in antioxidants, horribly egg problems like cataracts, glaucoma, and age-related macular degeneration, which are brought on by oxidative stress, stand no chance. So don't hold back from adding walnuts to your desserts and smoothies. In case walnut is not your thing and you prefer other dry fruits over it, then don't despair, because you can enjoy almonds, peanuts, cashews, beans, or other nuts because they are also good for your legumes. Legumes are one of the ideal and best package on this planet for keeping us healthy. Legumes are naturally low in fat and high in the eye-loving minerals zinc and also folate and vitamin A. Legumes play a crucial role in maintaining optimal vision and preventing age-related disorders. Zinc is known for its role in promoting the health of the retina and may help prevent age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Folate, and other key component found in abundance in legumes, has been linked to a reduced risk of developing cataracts, while vitamin A supports the overall health of the eye and help prevent conditions like night blindness. So make sure that you include these legumes in your diet. Orange, a winter delight. There is hardly anyone on this planet who does not like orange, and there's no reason to dislike this tasty, tangy treat. The good news is that you can now enjoy your favorite orange more often because they pack a punch of boosting our health. Orange contain vitamin C. The outspoken vitamin C is shouting to tell you that I can help you see because I am vitamin C. Aside from vitamin C, orange are packed to the brim with lutein and zenin, which impart color to them. These two aid in your fight against terrible eye problems by killing the free radicals in the retina. Meat. You are guilt-free reason to enjoy succulent steak. Eating meat, whether it's chicken or beef, can significantly reduce the risk of eye problems. Not convinced yet? Well, we have tons of scientific evidence to back it up. Meat has gobs of a favorable mineral zinc that works like shield in protecting the outer covering of the eyes called the retina and preventing conditions like night blindness. While it's important to consume meat as a part of a balanced diet, moderation is key. Olives, perfect pizza topping but can also make up for eye damage. Yes, Folks, you have heard the right. Olives hold a generous amount of oleic acid. Eating olives every day gives your body a whopping dose of antioxidant nutrients which is needed to arrest age-related muscular degeneration. The monounsaturated fat found in olive oil are beneficial for cardiovascular health, promoting proper blood flow to the eye and reducing the risk of conditions like muscular degeneration. Carrots. Carrots are packed with the eye care compound beta-carotene, which is transformed within the body into vitamin A, your body's ultimate fuel for keeping eye functioning. Besides, munching on carrots can help you do away with horrible core of poor night vision. This makes it crystal clear that chomping on carrot can give you superpowers to see in the dark. Mangoes. Eating mangoes gives your body a well-deserved dose of essential vitamins without compromising taste. Mangoes are crammed with lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your visual organ from sharp light because they work like natural sunscreen for your eyes. Besides, when these two antioxidants are ruling in your bloodstream, your eyes, lenses, and retina are properly protected. In addition to those powerful antioxidants, mangoes supply your body with vitamin C, which keep your immune system fighting fit and does not let glaucoma gain a foothold. Mangoes can make everything better, from your smoothies to milkshakes and even desserts. If your eyes are trying to tell you about a serious eye issue, in that case, going to the doctor and getting your eye checked will save you from a lot of upcoming trouble. If you like this video, then hit that like button and subscribe Fruits and Veggies.